Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 180 C fan, and line a large baking tray with foil. If using, line a wire rack on your baking tray. Lay bacon in a single layer onto baking tray or cooling rack, making sure not to overlap. Bake until your desired crispness, 15 to 25 minutes.
Let's help you make your mark.
400 degrees F bake at 400 degrees F. Some recipes recommend baking bacon at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or starting the bacon in a cold oven, but I found that a preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit is the best temperature for baking bacon. It cooks the bacon evenly no matter its thickness, and the bacon won't splatter.
Let's help you make your mark.
There is no splattering and it gets crispy every time. Preheat oven to 375 plus. Prepare a lined baking sheet with parchment paper. Lay bacon on parchment paper. Bake the bacon for 10 minutes. Flip with tongs and bake for additional 10 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.